Wow, that's nice to hear, Andy.
Mm.
Well, at least you're okay today. Okay. Oh, can you tell me how you spent your Thursday?
Um, mm, I I had a PE class.
Oh, so you had a PE class. And what happened? Okay, during your PE
Um, mm,
class? Mm-hmm.
uh,
Sorry.
um, I played soccer.
Wow. So you played, sweetheart. Okay. If it's a completed action, we just don't say I play. Okay. You say, or
Mm,
you use the past form of the verb. Therefore, we say I played soccer.
mm,
Okay.
mm,
On my PE class or during my PE class.
yeah.
Hmm. I want you to say it for me, sweetheart. Can you read that sentence for Jude?
I played soccer during my PE class.
Okay, very good. And did you win the game?
No.
Oh, why?
Mm, uh, mm,
What was the score? Can you tell me about the score?
mm, mm, mm.
Hmm? You can't remember the score?
Yeah.
I see. Okay. Now, did you do something else today, sweetheart, aside from PE class?
Um. Mm,
Uh-huh.
nothing.
Yes. Uh-huh. Nothing else? That's all for today?
Yes.
Okay, very well. Okay. Now, sweet, today is Thursday. Do you have any plans for the weekend?
Uh, yes.
Mm-hmm.
I will
Yeah.
go to the singing academy.
You have, can you say that again, babe?
I will go to the singing
Mm-hmm.
academy.
Swimming academy.
Yes.
Are you a good swimmer, Andy?
Oh no.
Oh, me too. Okay, I can't swim. Oh, can you swim?
Oh yes.
Oh, maybe in the future you can teach me how to swim. Okay, but wait, I want you to say I will go to the swimming
Mm,
academy. Mm-hmm.
mm,
Okay, so shall we
mm.
try to say that again? I will go to the swimming academy. Mm-hmm.
I will go to the singing academy.
Okay, very good. Aside from swimming, sweetheart, are there anything, are there other things that you want to do this weekend?
Um,
Mm-hmm.
I will go to school.
You will go to school during the weekend, sweetheart?
Yes.
Oh, why do you have to go to school on weekends?
Mm, um,
Mm-hmm.
Mm,
Uh-huh.
uh,
No. Okay. So anyway, but you have to go to school, right?
yeah, yeah,
Hmm. Okay. So thank you very much for that one, sweet. Okay. So anyway,
yeah.
today we have to continue with our lesson. But first thing first, sweet. Can you still remember what we've discussed last time?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So what have we discussed last time, sweetheart?
Mm, then he goes shopping.
Okay, so Danny goes shopping. Can you still remember what happened in that story, sweet?
Mm, oh yes.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
They go supermarket and buy and salad and tomatoes.
Okay. Mm-hmm. So he bought salad and tomatoes. Why did he go shopping, sweetheart?
Because
Mm-hmm.
mm, they refrigerators mm,
Mm-hmm. So, okay, they went shopping for food so that they can prepare
yeah,
lunch, right?
yeah.
Okay, very well. Hmm. So now, sweet, are you? Do you think you're ready to enter the following exercises?
Yes.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Yes. So let's try to do this one. Okay. So we have to do check true or false. Now you have to tell me if the following sentences are true or false based on that story that we've read and discussed before. Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Let's have
Yeah.
number one, babe.
Then he wants to go shopping with his mom. True.
Mm-hmm. True. Okay. Next, number two.
Then he needs to buy donuts, orange juice, and potatoes. False.
Okay. So it's false. Why? What are the things that he needs to buy, sweetheart?
Salad and tomatoes, bread and cheese,
Mm-hmm.
and
Bread and
mm,
cheese, salad, tomatoes, bread and cheese. That's the thing that he needs to buy. Okay, that's
and,
what's written on his shopping list. Correct?
and
Good. Now number three, babe. Can you read it for Jude?
the salad and tomatoes at the supermarket look so fresh.
Okay.
True.
True. Mm-hmm. Okay. Next one, please.
The woman at the counter gave Danny's mom change of $50.
Mm-hmm.
False.
Okay, so false. How much was the change given to mommy?
50 cents.
Mm-hmm. So
Mm,
50
cents.
cents. Okay, very good. Okay, so 50 cents. Now, sweet Danny, number five.
Danny and his mom will have a cheesecake for lunch. False.
Okay, false. What will they have for lunch?
A sandwich.
Mm-hmm. Okay, sandwich, right?
Yes.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So, sandwich. Oh, what did you have for lunch today, Andy?
Mm, meat.
It's
Uh,
meat?
yes.
Like samgyeopsal?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Okay, very well. Now let's have letter B, sweet. Circle the answers and fill in the blank. So this
Yes.
time, okay, I want us to do this one. Okay, so we have here
Yes.
sentences. I want you to complete these sentences for me. Is that okay?
Yes.
Very good. Okay, so now, sweet, let's continue.
As
Number one, sweetheart.
before going shopping,
Mm-hmm.
Danny makes a shopping list.
Okay, so Danny makes a shopping list. Number two.
Danny needs cheese, bread, and tomatoes for the sandwich.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so the answer is?
Sandwiches.
Okay, so earlier you only said sandwich. That's why teacher asked you again. Okay, so it's sandwich. Okay, now number three, Andy.
And then he goes shopping at the supermarket.
Okay, so it's the supermarket. Sweet, don't say supermarket. Okay, I want you to say supermarket. Mm-hmm.
Supermarket.
Mm-hmm. Okay, supermarket. Number four, babe.
When Danny's mom finishes shopping, she goes to the counter to pay.
Okay. Uh-huh. So the answer is to the
Counter.
very good. Now, when you go shopping, sweetheart, you normally go to the counter. You don't go to a bank or a house. Okay?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. How about number five now, sweetheart? After paying, can you please read the sentence for Jude?
After paying, Danny's mom receives the receipt and her change.
Okay, her change receives the blank and her change. What did you receive, sweetheart? So you go to the counter, you pay for the things that you bought, okay, and after that they will give you what, sweetheart? Uh-huh.
A word.
Okay, no. They don't give you awards at the supermarket. What do they give you? They give you a paper where you can see the things that
Receipt.
you've bought, right? Okay, so we have receipt. Okay?
Yes.
Very good. Okay, now, sweet, do you have any questions for Jude?
I don't have any questions.
Question.
Yes.
Okay, let's say that again. I don't have any questions.
I don't have any questions.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Whoa, amazing, sweetheart. Okay, now if you don't have any questions, let's try to continue with select the main idea. Now, I want you to tell me what the story is about by filling up the gap on this sentence, the blank part on this sentence. Can you do that for Jude?
The story about shopping at the supermarket.
Okay, so this story is about?
Supermarket.
Okay, so supermarket. Very good. Really smart. Okay, you're very smart, Andy. Okay, now, are you ready to continue with the next exercise?
Yes.
Good. So our next exercise is called reading skills up. This time we'll talk about sequencing. Now, what is sequencing, Andy? Do you have an idea?
When you read, think about the order of events. Something happens first, then something else happens. Try to remember the order of the events that happen.
Okay, very good. So do you understand what sequencing means, Andy?
Yes.
Okay, yes. What is it about, sweetheart? Can you tell me?
Mm, mm,
Uh-huh. Okay. Sequencing means, sweetheart, that you arrange the events as they happened in the story. What happened first, second, third,
yes,
fourth, so on and so on. You understand?
yes.
So what is sequencing again?
Uh, when you really think about the order of events, something happens first, then something else happens. Try to remember. Yeah.
Now, Jude is asking for your own opinion as to what sequencing means, sweetheart. Your own word. Mm-hmm. Can you do that for
Mm,
me? So it means, okay, to arrange things as to how they happened in this story, right?
yes.
Okay. Mm-hmm. So let's say that again. So sweet, I want you to say sequencing. Okay, means to arrange events according to how, okay, they happened. Mm-hmm. In okay, how they happened in the story. Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Sequencing means to arrange events according to how they happen in the story.
Mm-hmm. Okay, very well. So that's what sequencing means. So that is what we will do right here, sweetheart. So we have here phrases. I want you to put these phrases in order as to how they happened in the story. Do you understand?
Yes.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Mm-hmm. Let's have the first one, sweet.
Um, before shopping.
Okay. So what happened before shopping? Before
Um,
mommy and Yanni went shopping.
uh, making the shopping list.
Okay, so the first one is to make the shopping list. Okay, so let's put a line from here to here.
And,
Next.
looking in the
Mm-hmm.
refrigerator.
Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay, so the answer is?
Or
Oh, hold
looking in
on,
the
sweetheart. Is it making the shopping list first or looking in the refrigerator first? What happened
uh,
first,
uh,
Andy?
or looking in the refrigerator.
Okay, again, say refrigerator.
Yeah.
See, refrigerator.
Yes. Or
Can you say that again for sure?
refrigerator.
Not later, it's rater. Refrigerator.
Refrigerator.
Not Lee, see that it's re.
Red.
Okay, very good. Refrigerator.
Refrigerator.
Refrigerator. Uh-huh. Like this week.
Refrigerator.
Okay, Jude will write something or a guide. We say refrigerator.
Refrigerator.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So refrigerator. So the first thing is, Danny looked into the refrigerator, and then after looking at the refrigerator, what happened?
Um, making the shopping list.
Okay, making the shopping list. Next one, sweet. We have during shopping. What happened during this time?
Mm,
Mm-hmm.
or looking for bread.
Okay, Okay, so looking for bread. Next.
Putting food into the cart.
Okay. Then after shopping, what happened?
Going to pay at the counter.
Okay, so count. Very well. Okay, and of course, the last one, sweet.
Going home with a shopping bag.
Okay, so going home with a shopping bag. Okay. Now, sweet, did you go shopping today?
No.
No, why not? Did you stay home?
Because today I went to school.
You went to school.
Yes.
Okay. And then that's why. So you can't really go shopping.
And,
I see. Okay, interesting. So now, sweetheart, let's try to continue now. Okay, our lesson. Oh, but before that, do you have a question for Jude?
I don't have any questions.
Okay, so you don't have any questions.
Yes.
Okay, very good. Are you sure?
Yes.
Good. So this time we'll talk about grammar. So we have here part of speech, sweetheart. Now here, we will talk about the different types or the different parts of speech. Now, what is a part of speech, sweetheart? Can you read this one for Jude?
A part of speech is the grammatical class of words. They are not grammatical class words. They are non-adjective verb etc.
Again, sweet, they are noun. Can you say noun?
Yeah.
Noun.
Noun.
Adjective.
Adjective.
Verb.
Verb.
Very good. Okay. Now, do you know what are nouns, adjectives, and verbs?
And
Very good. What is a noun, Andy?
some word.
What kind of word? Of course, they are all words, sweetheart. But what is a noun?
Food food and things.
Okay, so food and things. Of course. Sweet. When we say nouns, okay, we talk about the names of people, places, and or things. Okay? Okay, now, sweet, I want you to try to understand what parts of speech are and what nouns, adjectives, and verb means. So I will give that to you as a homework. You have to study the lesson. Is that okay? Is that okay, Andy? Can you hear me, Andy? 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 Andy, you're gone. Okay, anyway, sweet. Okay, just study the lesson. Jude will see you again on Tuesday next week, okay? And have your microphone fixed, okay? Okay? Yeah, so I'll see you again then. Have a wonderful weekend ahead of you. Goodbye, sweetheart.